Are you passionate about reviewing books online? If yes, then this platform, we're going to test it together because the platform claims that you can earn money by reviewing books online. Okay, as you can see, apply to become a reviewer. So you're going to read the book and then you're going to review it. You review it manually, but I'm going to show you how to make it faster for yourself after you have read the book so that you can actually get the work done faster. Okay. Now, also, we're going to see read new books for free before anyone else. So, this is a platform where you can be able to get some books for free and then review, and then you also get paid according to what they say. But let me make a quick disclaimer: I am not giving you any guarantees. Okay, I'm not the owner of this platform. I just discovered it and I said, okay, I'm going to try it. Now, while trying it, I said I'm going to share with those who are also interested in reading books and then reviewing it. So, no guarantees, no promises. I'm just sharing with you what I know. Okay. Now, the name of this platform, that's what I'm going to share with you, the name of this platform. But then there's also one thing that struck me when I was going through the platform. It said, get rewarded for your work. When readers enjoy your work, they send $1, $3, or $5, or any amount of their choice your way. That means you can also become an author and publish your book on this platform. So if you're an author, then this is also a platform that you can publish your book. These small thanks can help you monetize your reading addiction. Okay. Now, you're going to see that as you're also reviewing, people can also send you money depending on what they want. Okay. You're going to see all that here. So submit your application here. Now all you need to do is just click on this and then you submit your application. Now, if you click on this here, you are going to it's going to take you down to the application page. So the application page is it's kind of deep, so you have to take your time to fill out this information: your email, your first name, last name, the password. Then you're going to upload your avatar. I would say upload your picture here. Okay, and then you're going to see continue. Now after that, you're going to see some details that you need to submit here. Okay, submit your details, introduce yourself. How many books on average do you read per year? You're going to read to write all of that here. And then we're going to see the genres do you review, which one. So you're going to select all that here. Then um, you can also put a video review here. In case you don't have a written review, you can put a video review on here. Now, where do you publish your reviews online? If it's on Facebook, if it's on YouTube, I don't know, depending on where you publish. If it's a blog, put the links there. Then if it's a blog, also put the or a channel, put the name here as well. But this one is optional. So which of your reviewers are you most proud of? Okay, you can also put all of that here. Now you're going to see your handles and every other thing. Now, take your time to go through this registration page. Okay, you can also start with your Google here. Okay, you can once understand that this is the second step. This one here, this submit to is the second step. The first step is just this one: your email, your first name, and your last name. Okay, that's the first step. Then you have to continue. After you click on continue, then it will open up this for you to fill up. So now the name of this platform is Reedsy. Okay, that's the name, Reedsy. So from what I saw online, so I see that they pay around at $10 to $50 per review. Okay, and it works worldwide. And of course, the focus is usually on indie self-published book. So you can also read books and write public reviews on the platform. Okay, now these are some tips that you need to get. First of all, the platform is legit, and then it's a well-known publishing marketplace. No upfront fee, is free. Okay, then transparent system. Now let me show you how you can review your book easily by using AI. Okay, to make the work faster for you. Because let's say a book contains 1,000 pages. Can you read it? Can you finish it within a week? In most cases, no, but you still need to review so that you can send your review faster. So let's say the name of the book here is um what's the name? Let's say, for example, Rich Dad Poor Dad. Okay, let's say for Rich Dad Poor Dad, for example. Okay, Rich Dad Poor Dad. This is just an example. Okay, now I'm going to come to ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT, please review rich dad, poor dad for me, like as if you are human. You are human. Okay, that's the prompt I'm gonna give ChatGPT. Now let's see. ChatGPT is going to review this book. Now you're going to see here, okay, first impression, you're going to see all that and all that and all that. Now, what you need to do is this. You're going to copy this thing that ChatGPT gave you. You're going to copy it. And then let me just copy all here. Let me copy all. Okay, so I'm going to start here. I will just highlight everything. Okay, highlight everything. You can just click on select all and then copy. Now you go to your Google Doc. So you come to your Google Doc here, and then you're going to paste the review you copied from ChatGPT. Okay, you copy all that here. Now this is a review. Now what you want to do so that this work is not going to look like an AI did it for you. You have to now format it yourself. So now you're just going to take your time to read this little write up here. This one shouldn't take you more than 30 minutes to read. Now once you read it, you understand the review, and then you start changing some wordings. Okay, you start changing some word, and then so that it can actually be like you did the review yourself. Okay, now what you need to do is just you can change some of the distance. Okay, why it really gets what gets really right. Okay, mindset, and then so you can just try to what I actually got, I can say what I got from the book, what what I got from it. I can say from it. Um, let's see from it. Then I'm going to just put this the mindset shift. Okay, so this is how you can review, you can format your book so that it's going to look exactly like a human being actually reviewed it. Okay, don't copy everything that you got from AI to paste on the website. No, don't do that. Okay, this is how you can review your books. I am a book lover. I love to read books online, and I know that it's also very nice if you get compensated for that as well. So go ahead and apply to the website. The website name is Reedsy. Okay, like I said, there is no guarantees, there is no promises. I am just sharing this platform because I discovered it and I felt that you, a book lover, would love it. So therefore, I said, let me share. So therefore, make your due diligence, do your research first before you try it. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and turn your notification to all.